Let's divide 480 by 2. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning division, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 480 by 2. First up, we look at the digit 4. We're going to use the digit 4 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder this time. You got it, we figured out the first part. Now let's bring down the next digit to make our next number. Great job on the first step. Now let's bring down the 8, we have 80 now. We're using the digit 8 and combining it with the remainder from the last step. How many times does 2 go into 8? It goes in 4 times. Let's see 4 times 2 is 8, exactly right. Subtracting 8 from 8 gives us 0, another 0 remainder, woohoo. You're doing fantastic, keep up the amazing work. We're almost there, let's bring down the last digit. Last step we bring down the 0, our number is 0. We're using the digit 0 for our final step. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. And 0 times 2 is 0, easy peasy. Subtracting 0 from 0 leaves us with 0, no remainder at all. You totally nailed it, we've divided all the digits. We've reached the end of our division, look at that amazing result. So 480 divided by 2 equals 240. Great job, everyone! We just conquered dividing 480 by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even big numbers easy to handle. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Whizzes.